Good morning, 早上好。Today we are going to continue to learn special Chinese verbs. Why they are special? Because each of them has special common ways to use. That's why we need to learn how to use them correctly. But don't worry, today I'm not just going to teach you the meaning of them. I will also teach you how to use them, and also I'm going to teach you the pronunciations and the grammars in each sentence. So don't forget to take your notes, okay? Let's get started. The first one is 搬. 搬. Have you ever seen this verb before? 搬. 搬, it means move, but actually sometimes it means to carry something. Okay, let's read the sentences first. 我明天就要搬家了. The first one is 我明天就要搬家了. 我 means I, 明天 tomorrow, 就要 something, 了 means the things will happen soon. It will happen soon. So I will move house soon. Tomorrow I'm going to move house soon. Move house. House moving. Yeah. It's like that. I'm going to move. I'm going to change my apartment. So 搬家 here, 搬 means to move. So 家 means a house. So it's similar in English, move house. Okay. Tomorrow I will move my house. Tomorrow I will move out. 搬家. So the first way to use 搬 means to move. 我明天就要搬家了. The time is in the beginning of the sentence. So you can also say 明天我就要搬家了. It's also okay. I want you to remember this grammar is 就要 something 了. It doesn't mean the past tense, it means the future, because 就要 here, 就要 something 了 means it's time to do something, and you will do something, and you are going to, somebody is going to do something, 就要了, okay? And the second way to use 搬, let's read the sentence together. 你帮我搬行李好吗? 你帮我搬行李好吗? What does it mean? 你 you, 帮 help, 我 me, or I, you help me, 搬 carry or move here, 行李 luggage, 好吗? Is that okay? So 你帮我搬行李好吗 means can you carry my luggage for me? Can you help me carry my luggage? So here, 帮 means help. 搬 means carry. With G and without G. 帮 and 搬. Okay. 帮 help. 搬 carry or move. 搬行李 carry the luggage. But here you cannot say carry the house, right? Move house. Here sometimes it means carry. 你帮我搬行李好吗? Or 你帮我搬箱子好吗? Can you help me carry the box? Okay, so basically there are two common ways to use 搬. First is to move. Second means to carry or move. Okay, you might say, 搬 is not that difficult because it only has two ways to use. But the next verb is kind of crazy because it has more than 8 ways to use it. But don't worry, we are going to learn together. First, let's read the sentence first. 水开了，你可以喝开水了. One more time. 水开了，你可以喝开水了. 水开了. Here, 水 means the water. 开了, 开了. It's boiling. The water is boiling. 水开了. So 开 here is the verb. 你可以喝开水了. 你 means you, 可以 you can. 喝 drink 开水 the boiled water or the boiling water. So 开水 is one word, means the boiling water or boiled water or hot water. So you can drink the hot water now. What is boiling? It's boiling and you can drink the boiling water now. You will say, they are like a similar. Yes, but look at the order. Here, 开 is the verb, but 开水 is one word. Okay, remember, 开水 and 水开的 similar meaning, but different way to use them. Okay, this is the noun, this is the verb. Okay, and the next sentence is going to be difficult. Why? It's kind of long. But in this one sentence, I'm going to teach you 6 ways, maybe 7 ways to use 开. Okay, first, let's read the sentence. 今天开车去开会，车开了20分钟就坏了，车里开着空调，但很冷，我开了车窗，看见花开了。One more time. 今天开车去开会，车开了20分钟就坏了，车里开着空调，但很冷，我开了车窗，看见花开了。Don't worry, it's not a tongue twister. You will feel what? So many 开 in the same sentence. Well, I do this on purpose because I try to help you to remember them. But actually it makes sense. It's not a strange sentence. Okay, now let's learn together. What does it mean? 今天开车去开会. Yeah, it's a very common sentence we say every day if you are going to join a meeting. So 今天 means today. 开车 means drive the car. 今天开车去 means to go. 开会means to hold the meeting or to join the meeting or to attend the meeting. So 今天开车去开会 means today I drive my car and I'm going to hold a meeting. It's a really common way to say it. 今天开车去开会. Okay, here you might think, 开车 and 车开的. Actually, in English, they're kind of similar. But here, the subject is I drive the car. But here, it's the car has been driving 20 minutes. So in English, you have to add has been something. But in Chinese, you don't need to add anything. You don't need to add the 被 here. Be careful. So actually, 开 is like can also be the verb for the car. Okay, so 车开了20分钟 means the car has been driving 20 minutes. 就坏了 and it's broken. It's broken. 旧了 means the speed and it's already broken. 就坏了 And also, in a special case, it's like I couldn't catch the car because 车开了. In that case, 车开了 also means the car left. The car left. 车开了 the car left. 飞机开了 the plane left. So 开 sometimes means leave, to leave. And 车开了 sometimes it means the car left. I didn't write it here because that's a very special case. Okay, actually I should change the number to 9. Okay, so let's continue. 车里开着空调，车里 in the car 开着空调。开 the verb plus 着 means the state continue. So 开着 like the ing similar like that. So 车里开着空调 means the air conditioning it's on. So turn on the air conditioning. We can say 开空调. So 开 means on, means turn on. So 开电视 turn turn on the TV, and 开灯 turn on the lights. So 开 means turn on or on here. Let's continue. 但很冷 is cold. Maybe the air conditioning is broken too. 但很冷，但 but 很冷 very cold. 我开了车窗。开了车窗，车 means the car, 窗 means window, so the car window seems like car window. 我开了车窗 I opened the window. 开了 here means open. 看见 I can see 花开了，花 means the flower. 开了 bloom. So the flowers are blooming. So here means bloom. 花开了 the flower is blooming. 花开了 So just one verb, but it has more than 8 ways to use. Because I'm trying to help you remember this verb easily, the ways to use this verb easily. So I made these 2 sentences. So don't forget to take the notes, okay? Okay, I'm going to explain one more time. The 8 common ways, well, maybe 9 common ways to use 开. The first one, 水开了 is boiling, and 开水 means the boiling water, boiled water is one word, 开水 one word, or hot water. And 开车 means to drive the car. 开会 to hold the meeting, or to attend the meeting, attend to the meeting. And 车开了 the car has been driving, or 车开了 sometimes is 车开了 I couldn't catch the car, so it means the car left. So 车开了 has 2 meaning here. Okay. And here 车里开着空调，开着空调开着灯 means something is on. So the TV is on, 开着电视. So if you say 开电视 means turn on the TV, okay? And next one, it's 我开了车窗 I opened the window, I opened the door, 开门. And 花开了 the flower is blooming. All the flowers are blooming. Okay, thank you for watching today. We learned only 2 verbs, but actually more than 10 ways to use them. That's why they're special. And next lesson, I will continue to teach you the special verbs. So stay tuned. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. 谢谢你们。再见。